Hello students, we are in topic of climate, and in our previous session we have done about climate, weather and which influence climate controls also we have done. In this topic we are discussing about seasons. Let us see first with the winter season. Okay, winter season. Usually winter season it starts November last week or December first week. January will be the coldest month. January is coldest month. Next, most probably in a country, most of the places where the temperature drops near to 10 degrees Celsius. You see day temperature. I'm saying day temperature. Most of the places, North Indian states like Delhi, Shimla, Jammu Kashmir, the day temperature will be 10 degrees Celsius temperature will be records. Next, what about the remaining areas? The areas which are located on the coast, these will enjoy the moderate climate. Okay. Usually, what will be there? What is the weather conditions in winter? Weather conditions in the winter, day is hot, and nights, days are hot, nights are cold. So this is usually the weather variation or weather conditions during winter. Now let us see how does these coastal areas enjoy the moderate climate. Entire North India, this area is very cold during winter. But these areas, the areas which are this location and this location, that means coastal areas enjoy the moderate climate. Let us see why this happened. See, the seas, the water bodies influence the climate. Hence, they enjoy moderate climate. Is it? Right. So let us see once continentality. So what is continentality? And what is moderate? This moderate also we can say that equable climate. Example, areas far from coast. The areas far from the coast usually hot in a day. Next, cold in a night. Example, day temperature in Hyderabad 40 degrees Celsius temperature. Example, during day 40 degrees Celsius temperature, and it may be 10 degrees Celsius temperature in nights. 10 degrees Celsius temperature night in Hyderabad. Let us see here moderate climates or moderate temperature. Temperature influence. See, during day the temperature may be 35 degrees Celsius temperature, comparatively 5 degrees less due to the water bodies. Huge water bodies, because the wind blow from sea to land. Whenever the wind blow from sea to land, it will decrease the temperature. Day 35 degrees Celsius temperature. And during night the temperature will be 18 degrees Celsius temperature. So that the day and night temperature, the difference between day and night temperature is not much comparatively Hyderabad. This is example Chennai. So this kind of climate or this kind of the weather situation is called as equable climate, and this is called as continentality. The areas which are very far from the sea coast, they have days are very hot, nights are very cold. And these are the areas which are on the sea coast, moderate, medium kind of temperature will be there. Okay? Next, usually winter, I said to you just now, days are very hot, nights are very cold. January is the completely coldest month. So this is about winter. Now let us see summer. Now let us see summer. It's a very important summer. Many students, they may not aware that why does summer season come? Why does summer season come? Why does summer season come? Yeah, what is the reason? What is the reason? Yeah, many of them know, they may not aware, they may think that it is because of the revolution. Yeah, it is because of the revolution, but exact point is as the sun shift northwards. Sun shift northwards. Sir, what is this? Does really sun shifts northwards? Yes, sun shifts northwards. Yeah, example. This is Earth. Okay. The sun usually in this position. So that sun rays are fall completely on the Tropic of Cancer. This is called as summer. And let us see it now. Let us see about winter. How winter? Winter, most probably, sun rays mostly falls on Tropic of Cancer. Sorry, Tropic of Capricorn. This is Capricorn. So sun usually change. The sun position usually change north to south, south to north. You might have aware that sun rises vertically on the Tropic of Cancer on June 21st. This is the longest day. Okay. Whenever the sun rises here, summer, it will be winter. This winter in Australia. Example, Australia is located here. Winter in Australia. When sun rises near Australia, in this area, here, for them it is summer. It is in December. And for us, it is winter. So this is the sun position will be changed. Okay. So we already know that sun rises vertically on December 22 on the Tropic of Cancer. It is called as shortest day because sun rises in Capricorn. Sun rises on Cancer. That means Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. So this is why a sun shifts towards the north. It is summer for us because India located here. Then we feel summer, and so Australia located here. Then they feel summer. So this is the reason summer occurs usually. So hope you understand. Now, how will be the weather variations and weather conditions in summer? Weather conditions in summer usually maximum temperature in March. 37 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature in March 37 degrees Celsius temperature. It will go to the May. If we go April, May, it will be increases 41 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature in May 41 to 42 degrees Celsius temperature increases. And you know that. So these areas which influence the sea. These areas receives moderate, medium. These areas receives medium temperature. But North India is very hot. This North India is very hot because of the Loo winds will blow. Loo. What are Loo? Loo are dry and hot winds. What are Loo? Loo are dry and hot winds. I repeat, Loo are dry and hot winds which blow in summer. So due to these Loo winds are very destructive. Many persons die due to the sunstroke. Okay, in the summer usually, so this will blow. Many people also die due to the sunstroke. This is about summer. But one more important about summer is, in summer there will be mango showers. Sir, what are these mango showers? Does really mangoes come? No, mango showers are usually in the summer, in the month of April, May. In the month of April, May, little rainfall occurs. So due to this rainfall, mangoes will be ripen. Usually the mangoes will be ripen. The rainfall the showers which was occurred in the month of April and May. So due to that, we call these are mango showers. These are called as mango showers in Andhra Pradesh, in AP and Telangana state. I repeat, in AP and Telangana state, these are called mango showers. So mango showers means not really mango showers. It was just because of these showers, little shower, there was mangoes will be ripened. So these are about this is about summer season. Now let us see rainy season. It's one of the very important season. Yeah, you might have all know that what is the climate of India? India's climate is monsoon type of climate. India's climate is monsoon type of climate. So what is monsoon? Monsoon word derived from a Arab word. So Arab word, that name is Monsoon. Monsoon means rhythm of seasons. You might have aware that Arab traders who came to India, Arab traders used to sail towards to India in May. You know that Vasco da Gama discovered to sea route to India. He reached sea route to India in 1498 May, in the month of May, because in the month of May they reached, because most of the winds blow from sea to land. Hence they successfully reached this place. Now we are in the rainy season. Why this rainy season? How this rainy season come? Let us see. Yeah, rainy season. I told to you in the beginning. Okay, example. Okay, this is summer. Now this is summer. Yeah, this is India. And now it is in summer. Whenever summer, here 45 degrees Celsius temperature will be there, just like I told, 41, 42 degrees Celsius temperature, and here 35 degrees Celsius temperature will be there in equator. So that here high temperature is there. At India, high temperature is there. Where is high temperature? There will be a low pressure. Okay. Here it will be, we say that here low temperature. Why I am saying low temperature? When I am comparing with India, it is low pressure only. And again, you know that when summer, it will be winter. When summer in Australia, it will be winter. So it is winter means what it is? Again, here high pressure means low temperature. Here, while comparatively equator more low temperature. So wherever more low temperature, here what we call high pressure. It is very, very important to understand the deflecting of the winds. So in India, high temperature is there. Wherever high temperature, low pressure will be prevail. Low pressure will occur. Now let us see India, equator. At equator, 35 degrees Celsius temperature is there. So that is comparatively low. India, low temperature. Next, you see Australia. When sun rises here, in Australia winter. Winter means what? Low temperature. Low temperature means what? High pressure. So what is our formula? Our formula is wind will be blow from high pressure area to winds blow from high pressure area to low pressure area. High pressure area to low pressure area. Wind. I am writing here. Wind blow. Yeah, wind blow from high pressure area to low pressure area. Now let us see here. So the winds are blowing to equator. So this is Tropic of Capricorn. See, this is very difficult to understand. So that keen observation is required. So, sir, why these are deflecting to equator? Because equator low pressure is there. At equator, low pressure is there. Yeah, these are going to equator. Whenever they go into the equator, they suddenly turn towards the India. Sir, why they are turning towards to the India? Because India has more low pressure than the equator. India has more low pressure. So then they are entering to India from this side. This is which side? Southwest side. This is which side beta? Southwest side. So these are called as southwest monsoon. So these are called as southwest monsoon. These are originated in the southern hemisphere. They crossed the equator. After the equator, they comes to India, because in India there was a huge low pressure is there. Low pressure. So India more low pressure is there. So this low pressure attracted the winds. These low pressure so these winds bring moisture to us. They blow or they give us good rainfall. So this is how the winds will become. The southwest monsoon enters into India. Okay. Next, let us see how they spread across India. Let us see. Before that, we can see that monsoon outbreak. Yeah, monsoon outbreak. So what is monsoon outbreak? Monsoon outbreak means in the beginning of the rainy season. The rainfall which occurs with the lightning and thunderbolts. In the rainy season, with the lightning and thunderbolts, certain rainfall occurs. So that we called as, that is monsoon outbreak, or also called as onset of monsoon. Onset of monsoon. In our locality, people they call that, whenever few rainfall occurs, they say that rainy season started. So the rainy season started, that is called as onset of monsoon. Simple. Onset of monsoon, rainy season outbreak, only one. The rainfall occurs with lightning and thunderbolts in the beginning of the rainy season or end of the summer, in the month of April, May. In the month of April, May, the rainfall which occurs with the lightning and thunderbolts. Sometimes hailstones also fall. Okay, so these are called as onset of monsoon. So I hope you clear onset of monsoon. Let us see. Yeah, this is India. I told to you, this is equator. They came to equator from this side. And suddenly they are turning from this side. Because here very low pressure is there. Low pressure. This is what pressure? High pressure. So wind will blow from high pressure to low pressure. They enters India from southwest side. So we can say that this is southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon also called as rainy season. So whenever they come, first they touch to Kerala. First rainy season enters into Kerala. Rainy season means southwest monsoon, first they give rainfalls to Kerala in the month of June. Yeah, I am reading. Kerala will receive. Kerala receives rainfall first. Kerala receives first rainfall in the June first week. Yeah, whenever they enters into Kerala, immediately they divides into two branches. One branch will be go from this side. So this branch is called as Bay of Bengal branch. And which is going from this side? This is called as Arabian Sea branch. Yeah. Whenever they comes to Kerala, southwest monsoon divides. One will be go from this area. This is called as Bay of Bengal branch, and one will go from this area. This is called as Arabian Sea branch. This Arabian Sea branch touch to the Gujarat. After the Aravalli, it will be moved towards the west side. And this Bay of Bengal branch touch to the Assam, and it will move to the east side. So this is east side. This will be moved to the east side. So I repeat, Bay of Bengal branch touch to the Bengal and Assam. This moved to the east side. And Arabian Sea branch, this touch to the eastern Rajasthan, Gujarat. It turns to the west. So by completely in the month of July, monsoon spreads. Monsoon spreads in the month of July. So we will receive highest rainfall. We receive highest rainfall in the month of July. Even government also, there was no proper rainfall, they may declare that it is a drought year. They may declare it is a drought year. So this is about rainy season. You know that first Kerala will receive and east coast will be received. Delhi, you know, Delhi will receive on 29th June. 29th June, Delhi will receive rainfall, average, not exactly. When Telangana, Hyderabad will receive. Hyderabad will receive 2nd June, second week of June, Hyderabad or Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh. Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh will receive rainfall in the second week of June. Okay, and India gets lot of rainfall due to this southwest monsoon. Okay, so this is about southwest monsoon. Yeah, next one. Next one. Retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon. What is retreating monsoon? Yeah. Retreating monsoon also called as northwest monsoon. Northwest monsoon. Okay. So actually the monsoon occurs due to the heat differential. Heat differences between land and water. Land and water. Water means what? Sea. Means usually see summer. This is summer. Okay, summer low pressure. Summer low pressure will be there in the mainland. In winter, this is summer, and winter low pressure will be there. Low pressure will be there on the sea. Okay, because land, you know, very cold temperature will be there, so there is no low pressure. So in winter, water bodies will be low pressure will form. So heat differential between land and sea, due to the heat differential between the land and sea, monsoon usually form. So just now I told to you, monsoon, it was gone from this side and it was gone to this side. The monsoon which was gone, this will be withdrawn. The withdrawal of the monsoon, very very important. Withdrawal of the monsoon will be take place from this side. Withdrawal of the monsoon will be take place from this side. I repeat, withdrawal of monsoon. Withdrawal of monsoon. Withdrawal of monsoon takes. Okay, withdrawal of monsoon take place from north to south. Very 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 important. North to south. It is not there in the textbook, but you have to understand. Yeah, withdrawal of monsoon takes place from north to south. Yeah, whenever north to south, you know, this will become from this region. This will become into this region. So they accumulate in this region. And some of things also they blow from this area. Blow from this area. Means, you know, it is you know, northeast side. The winds blow from northeast side. I repeat, the winds blowing from northeast side, so that this also called as northeast monsoon. So how will be there in the northeast monsoon? Yeah, except Coromandel coast that we learned that in first lesson. Tamil Nadu, I am writing here, Tamil Nadu receives rainfall. Tamil Nadu receive rainfall during winter. Tamil Nadu receive rainfall during winter. And during winter, again some parts also they receive rainfall. Which are they? What are they? I repeat, Tamil Nadu receive rainfall in winter. Tamil Nadu does not receive rainfall in rainy season. I repeat, Coromandel coast or Tamil Nadu does not receive rainfall during rainy season. Tamil Nadu or Coromandel coast, they receive rainfall during winter because of the northeast winds. Because of the northeast winds or retreating monsoon. And one more interlinking you have to do that. In winter, again one more, there was a rainfall will be available in the winter in India. Yeah, writing here in India. This is India. This is Arabia. Okay. This is Africa. And this is Mediterranean Sea. During winter, cyclones depressions occurred in the Mediterranean Sea. So these Mediterranean Sea, they give little rainfall to India. Little rainfall to India. So these are called, these are coming from the west side. So these are called western disturbances. These are called western disturbances. Yeah. They may ask very important question. What are western disturbances? Western disturbances, usually cyclone depressions occurred in the Mediterranean Sea. Cyclone depressions, this is Africa, Arabia, Europe, this is Mediterranean Sea, and this is Red Sea. And this is Red Sea. So usually cyclone depressions occurred in the Mediterranean Sea. These Mediterranean cyclone depressions give little rainfall to India. So this rainfall is boon for Rabi crop. Boon for Rabi crop. Boon for Rabi crop. So winter rainfall also in India is called as western disturbances. Actually these were happened due to the westerlies. These were happened to the westerlies. I told to you westerlies are located in the 25 degrees of north. In the beginning I told westerlies are located in the 25 degrees of the north. Okay, so these westerlies, near westerlies, upper air circulation I told no. These westerlies speed also varies. These also called as jet streams. These also called as jet streams. The upper air circulations 12,000 meters above, which was positioned, that were called as jet streams. And due to these westerlies, we got western disturbances. Western disturbances actually, these are the cyclone depressions which was formed in the Mediterranean Sea. So these will give little rainfall, not heavy rainfall, less a little shower. That shower boon for the Rabi crop, especially for the wheat. Wheat will need that time water. So that time that water was given by these western disturbances. Okay. Next, let us see October heat. What is October heat? Next, what is October heat? October heat. Yeah, simple October heat. In the month of October, we feel lot of suffocation. So why? Till September. Till September. We know that mid-June to September, this is the rainy season. Mid-June to September, this is the rainy season. In the rainy season, we see cloud, mostly cloudy. So whenever the October, we cannot find a lot of cloud, then during September, the land was wet. Land is wet. Land is wet. And there is clear sky. Clear sky. There is no sky. Means, clear sky means there is no clouds. Absence of the clouds. That means clear sky, land is wet, the sun rays directly fall on this place. This was wet, no. So then humidity percentage increases. So that means the heat also increases. We feel lot of suffocation and uncomfortable during the time of October. So this is called as October heat. This is called as October heat. Mid-June to September, rainy season. Okay. So September till September, rainfall occurs. In September, the land was wet. In October also land was wet. But suddenly, there was an absence of the clouds. The sun rays fall over directly on the ground. So the ground having moisture, wet. So the moisture was evaporated. So whenever the moisture was evaporated, the humidity percentage increases. That is called as, due to that certain heat we feel. So that is called as October heat. That is called as October heat. Next. In the month of retreating monsoon, I told to you, so something they blow from this side also. Whenever they come from this side, they converge and Tamil Nadu will receive rainfall. So during this time, cyclone depressions will form. So most of the cyclone depression will form. So mostly in October, November, December, most of the cyclones, tufans, we call tufans. These cyclones usually very destructive in the Godavari Krishna delta. In the Godavari Krishna delta. 1999 there was a super cyclone in Odisha. There was a super cyclone. We don't know that super cyclone. You might have know that in 2012 you asked your parents, very dangerous tufan came. That name is Hudud tufan. Hudud tufan, very destructive. It was in October 2012 it was came. It's a very destructive tufan came. Mostly a tufan. Every year any one tufan will come. It was very destructive because low pressure condition. This is anticyclone. You already learned in 9th class about these cyclones. So cyclones are moved towards the land. It will be destructive. Okay, this especially in the winter season. So what we learn in the winter season, October it we learn, and Tamil Nadu will receive rainfall we learn. Tamil Nadu did not receive rainfall during rainy season we learned, and also we learned that western disturbances. Western disturbances actually it was the cyclones which was formed in Mediterranean Sea that will give rainfall to us. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Let us see. Remaining. Nowadays, there was a peculiarities in the climate. When rainfall occurs, we doesn't know because of the global warming. Because of the global warming. Yeah. Due to the factories and vehicles and plastics. So due to the global warming is increasing. So this global warming is causing especially for the persons, human beings. So this is called AGW. AGW means the global warming which is happening due to the human beings. This is called as anthropogenic global warming. Anthropogenic global warming. Okay, this is very dangerous. Anthropogenic global warming. Due to this global warming, climate will be changed. The climate will be changed. Whenever rainy season will be there, rain will not come. Whenever the cold will be there, very cold. Whenever summers are very hot. So this is due to the global warming. So to control this global warming, in 2015, IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, one Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. I repeat, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change in 2015 met at Paris. So this Paris summit, it is also called as COP. Okay, COP summit. This COP summit, they decided that plastics or pollutions or effluents they wanted to decrease below 2 degrees, the global temperatures. They decided 195 countries they have signed that. So they wanted to decrease the global temperature. All these 195 countries, they will try to decrease the global temperature up to 2 degrees Celsius. So how it will be possible? When more countries will be think on the global warming and afforestation, controlling of the industries. So then these things will be happen. And one more argument also there. Developing countries says that developing countries says that developed nations only did most of the majority destructive things. Okay, developing countries claiming that already developed countries only for the reasons for the global warming they are arguing, and developed countries they are saying that no, we didn't do anything. Only now developing countries only they are using most of the fossil fuels. They are only doing the nonsense, and due to this only this global warming is happening. So that is the argument between the developing nations and developed nations. Okay, and if no one cares about this anthropogenic global warming, it may be very effect because in tundra region, in Arctic region and Antarctic region, all the icebergs will be melt. So small countries like Lakshadweep Islands, Maldives, Sri Lanka may submerge into the water. Okay, Lakshadweep Island, Andaman Nicobar Island, Sri Lanka, Maldives, these will be submerged into the water because sea level rises, sea level increases. We will lose Goa, Mumbai, Chennai, Visakhapatnam also we will lose if the global temperature increases. And there is one more cyclone hit in Kolkata, that is Ayla super cyclone. Ayla super cyclone, it was hit Kolkata in 2009. In 2000, Kolkata, it was in Kolkata 2009. It was very destructive. So there is the impact of climate is very much, and if we not control effluents, we not control the global warming, it may be we will face a lot of troubles in upcoming days. Okay, so this is our climate lesson. In 2 sessions, our climate topic have done. Okay, and most of the important things we have discussed in examination point of view. The southwest monsoon and the northeast monsoon, it is very important. Low pressure to high pressure to low pressure, you have to be concentrate on this topic, and this topic was concluded. Thank you very much.